Brad likes to get stuck right in, don't you?
Hands deep.
Hands deep, literally. Never knew you had such long arms, Brad.
No, no.
That's it. Get it all nice and straight. Get a nice bit of new pipe on there. Job would be a good one. So instead of these crappy push fit, I hate them. Nice bit of solvent weld on there. Yeah, I know we're using two different colours, but there you go. Gets the job done. Get out after service. Clean up. Don't always get that, do you, Brad?
No. Don't even do it at home.
I've got. Okay, it's got this stop cock. Swap it over. Let's do it. Leave one on there. Job done. You right there, Brad?
Jesus.
Bit wet out.
Red.
It's red. Brad's changing the siphon diaphragm. How's it getting on, Brad?
I prefer more Robin's diaphragm.
So I've changed hundreds of these things. Cyan diaphragms. They always split. Like so. Change the diaphragm over, job's a good one. So now I'm taking the toilet seat position. Reverse cowboy in it. Got it in. Don't over tighten it. Never works. Alright. Turn her on, see what happens. Sounds a bit better, filling up a bit quicker. But will it shut off? Sounds good to me.
Not under pressure.
I know. Under pressure. sticky screwdriver in the top. Oh, flush it again and see what happens. Don't think the arm's in properly, is it? It's not dropped down. Broke it now. Second time lucky. Turn it on. See how she reacts. You got confident? No, you're not confident of it? No?
It ran.
Oh.
It worked, Brad.
It worked.
See, that is reverse psychology.
Yeah, exactly. There you go, job done. Good morning, people. Friday today, yeah, best day of the week. Unless you're working tomorrow, which is Saturday. Yeah, got a couple of little jobs on today. Got a diverter valve that's leaking on a valent boiler that we're going to be changing over. And a couple of other little things, can't remember what they are now. But yeah, let's crack on. So I've been called out on this valent boiler as the diverter valve looks like it's been leaking, so we're going to swap this one out today. So I noticed that the boiler's on a plug, it's not up to current standards, so that's going to have to be changed. So I'm going to isolate it and pull the plug out anyway, just to make it safe.
Check that fuse in here as well, isn't it?
Also double check the fuse. So there's the diverter valve, and as you can see it's been leaking. So we're going to replace it with a new brass one now. I'm going to whip this one out, drain it off.
Draining the boiler off.
Always into my trusty chocolate box.
Come to the end now.
So we've got the old one out now. I couldn't get a video of it because it's quite difficult to video and take the old diverter valve out. Same as putting it in. It's a little bit difficult to film, but maybe I'll invest in a tripod so I can set it up. But it's all in, and we're about to test it on maximum rate. Make sure everything's working as it should. No more leaks. We're all looking good.
Job's a good one.
Job's a good one. So here I got called out on a Saturday morning. The lady had a burst pipe from that fitting right there. I think her stepdad tried to repair it. And I think it made it worse, to be honest with you. So got that sorted and thought I'd hoover up for her, clear all this water out for her so it will dry out nicely. Look at that for a service. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, click the notification bell to keep up to date with all our latest videos, and yeah, we'll see you on the next one.